Hi students, good morning everybody. Yesterday we discussed about coordinate system and the representation of coordinate system in the coordinate plane. Today I am going to discuss how to find the distance between 2 points in the plane. Actually, how do you find the distance between 2 points? Actually, normally, usually, how do you find? By using tape, scale, or with usual measurements. When it comes to the coordinate plane, how do we find the distance between 2 points? Just I'll tell you how to find. Listen. Take the coordinate axis x, x dash, y, y dash. This is called origin, denoted by 0, 0. Take a point in the first quadrant. For example, this is x1, y1. Another point I am taking b of x2, y2. So, how do we find the distance between these 2 points? Let me extend this. Now I am going to find the distance between these 2 points, right? Before that, do you have idea about Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, take a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Consider a right angle triangle, right angle at B. This is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. These two sides are called perpendicular sides. So, as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of perpendicular sides AB square plus BC square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Already we got the theorem earlier. So by using this theorem, I am going to find the distance between 2 points in the Cartesian system. Okay. For that, drop one perpendicular from A to x-axis. Let it be P. Drop one perpendicular from A to x-axis. Similarly, from B to x-axis, another perpendicular drawn from B to x-axis is BQ, and one more perpendicular from A to BQ. Let it be R. AR is drawn from A to BQ. Then observe this. ARB is a right angled triangle. Did you observe this? ARB is a right angled triangle. Now in this right angled triangle, can you apply Pythagoras theorem? As I told you earlier, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Since it is a Pythagoras theorem, I want to introduce in right triangle, ARB, apply Pythagoras theorem. What do you get here? AB square is equal to, what is hypotenuse here? AB. So AB, square of AB is AB square is equal to BR square plus AR square. BR square plus AR square. Right? Now, so we have applied Pythagoras theorem here. Can you say this, the distance from A to B? What is this distance? What is this distance? As we dropped one perpendicular from A to B, what is this distance? And what is this distance OP? What do you call this distance OP? And what is the distance OQ? OQ. Okay. Distance from x1, y1 to x-axis is called mod y1. That means this distance is y1 and this distance is what? x1. This distance is coordinate, x coordinate of B, that is x2. From O to Q, this is on x-axis. So this is equal to x coordinate of B and this distance is equal to x coordinate of A and vertical distance is equal to y coordinate of A and this total distance is equal to y coordinate of B, means y2. Clear? Now since AB is y1, so this distance is also y1, while both opposite sides are equal. This is y2 and this is y1. Then can you say this? Total y2 and this is y1. So this will be y2 minus y1. Right? Got it? Total distance y2 and this is y1. So this will be y2 minus y1. Now this is x1, this is x2. Can you find PQ? Total is x2 and this is x1. So PQ will be x2 minus x1. So if PQ is x2 minus x1, the opposite side AR also x2 minus x1. Right? Now, in right angled triangle ARB, I got the distances BR and AR. Now apply here, substitute the values. So AB whole square equal to, what is BR? As I told you earlier, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 whole square plus, what is AR? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 whole square. Now I want to find only AB here. So square, if it goes that side, square root y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. So this can be written as we write x coordinates first, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Units. So this is called the distance between two points, A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Units. So what is our topic today? The distance between two given points. So we can find the distance between 2 points in the coordinate plane by using this formula. Suppose when we are given 2 points, this is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. One of the 2 points is origin, suppose 0, 0. The distance between the distance between origin 0, 0 and one point x, y is, you can use square root of x square plus y square directly. One of the two given points is origin. We can use this formula to find the distance between two given points. Is that clear? Okay. So, this is the formula to find the distance between two points when one of the given points is origin. Clear? Now, just a small introduction. Suppose you consider a point in the plane like this. Suppose one point P of x comma y. Distance of this point from this point to x-axis is mod y, since mod represents the coordinate, and from this point to the y-axis is mod x. So it changes according to the coordinates, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, as I told you earlier. So mod x represents, so since it is first quadrant, we can take both positive. Suppose in the second quadrant, negative, positive. Third quadrant, both negative. Fourth quadrant, positive, negative. So that way we can consider. So by using this concept, I just found the distance between two points in the coordinate plane. Thank you.